How to get Grindr Gold. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get or subscribe to the Grindr Gold option. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to get the Grindr Gold, tap on the extra store option that you can see on the bottom right hand side. After that, it will take you to the options like this. You will have two options, one is extra and the other is unlimited. Both of these are the premium features, but extra is a bit limited feature, whereas unlimited is the full subscription package. Now since we are talking about Grindr Gold, you would probably be interested in the extra feature. For that, go to extra. Then you will get various time duration options such as 1 week, 1 month, 3 months and 12 months. Depending on your preference, select a particular one. After that, tap on continue. It will ask you to add a payment method. Add the appropriate payment method that you have and then make the payment. After you complete the payment, the extra features will be available on your account. So in this way, you can easily get Grindr Gold. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.